Hey there, this is the unboxing of the new toy I got, which is the HPI 1/8 scale Buggy Flux Brushless. And it just got here today. Alright, looks like it's from towerhobbies.com. Got it from there. HPI noted to use them often. Okay, here it is. Trophy Flux Buggy, 1/8 scale. Let's go ahead and see. It's got a couple of tabs here. Show me. Here it is, inside. Come over here. Packaged up pretty good. This here is going to be the radio controller. It's AA batteries and all the tools, extra accessories in case you break any axles. 1/4 scale, the actually 24 gigahertz, 2.4. And the button. Instructions. Empty decals they've already put on the car for you.